I'm going to show you how to submit or upload your changes to GitHub. So if you've progressed on your lab and you want to make a commit and push it over to github.com just to see the autograder results, even if you didn't finish completely, you can still do that. In fact, we actually recommend that you make commits regularly. So whether or not you finished, this is the same process that you'll be following for this lab and every lab here on out. So the first thing that you'll want to do is, what I would like to recommend is typing git status, which kind of shows you what the status of your GitHub repo is at the current moment. So for me, I've made a change to main.cc and I am ready to submit it. So, and I want to check on the autograder results to see if everything passes. So I type git status. It says that I've modified the main.cc file and it's ready for, or it's not staged yet for commit. So the command to add the file to the staging area is git add. So I'm gonna clear this. I'm gonna type git add and then the name of the file that I want to commit. So let's add main.cc into the staging area. Alternatively, you can also do git add and a period, which if you had multiple files edited, this just adds everything that you've changed to the staging area. But in this case, we only have the main.cc file edited, so I just typed that. So if you type git status at this point, now it says that the main.cc file is ready to be committed. So it's in the staging area right now, and we can type git commit with the -m flag, and then type double quotes, and then put in a message in between. So here I'm going to say completed lab 1 exercise. So at this point, I've made my commit and I'm ready to push it or to upload it to GitHub repo. And let's try doing that and see the autograder results. So after I do this, you do the usual authentication, get your personal access token wherever you have that saved. I'm going to copy and paste that in here. And now I've uploaded it to GitHub. So if I go back to my GitHub lab repo, I can refresh the page and I'll see that I've registered my commit from 31 seconds ago, and I have that message that I just typed in, completed lab 1 exercise. So at this point, you have verified that you've uploaded your latest change from CS50 Sandbox to GitHub. So now how do you check on your autograder results? So what you can do is go into this Actions tab. We've configured the autograder so that it runs a workflow every time you make a submission via git push. So every time you commit and push to your repo, it's going to automatically run your autograder results. So you can click on one of the workflows. In this case, it looks like it passed for me. So you can click on autograding and it'll show you the things that we're running. So I think if you open this autograding workflow, it'll show you the different unit tests. So if you failed one or a few of them, you can kind of go in here and check what the test was testing and try to make changes and iterate on that. All right, so it looks like everything passed here. So now that that is good, that is what submission looks like. So just remember, this git add, git commit, git push flow is what you'll be doing for submitting labs from here on out.